Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, it's Farah Silpani. Now I'm going to teach you how to pronounce sound L. First of all, how the sound is made. First, put the front of your tongue against the bump behind your teeth like this. Okay, and then use your voice, let the air pass out your mouth. Okay, we'll try. La. Once again. La. Good job. I used to practice the sound L in many different positions. Okay, let's get down to the first position. The first position is in initial. So the initial of sound L is like it's lamb and lawyer, lucky, locate, learn, etc. Next, in medial position, there are alive, alarm, believe, island, polite, yellow, obligate, dollar, column, etc. In some words, the letter L isn't pronounced. For example, half, right? The letter L isn't pronounced. Call, talk, chalk, could, would, Lincoln. The second L isn't pronounced. Salmon, should, palm, behalf, and many more. Make sound L morphophague. You need to read out quickly. Tongue twister. I got one from Google. Okay, read it loud and quickly. Okay, first try. Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster. Did Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster? If Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster, where's the last and lobster Lanky Lawrence lost? It's kinda hard for me as an Indonesian native speaker, but I think it helps. Okay, once again. More quickly. Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster. Did Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster? If Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster, where's the last and lobster? Let's try. Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster. Did Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster? If Lanky Lawrence lost his last and lobster, where's the last and lobster Lanky Lawrence lost? I think that's enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested with this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and tell your friends so you can join here. See you in another video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.